Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do one English speaking practice, and in the morning basically I've done chosen one cue card for writing, but now I'm doing the same to basically speaking, because that is how we can correlate all the things, and basically I can able to speak more uh, contentfully. So that is why I'm going to basically speaking the same topic. So let's jump into this video. The topic is about does preservative foods have chemical, or they and talking about the advantages and disadvantages of preservative food. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. There is too much of hot today in Delhi NCR, and so yeah, it is very tricky. So let's get into it. So basically, I'm coming from a background where I have used both the foods, which is preservative and and raw cooked food, and I found out there are certain changes, such as like in if I talk about in taste, they are totally different because in because if I talk about like cooked food, which is more taste rather than preservative foods have, there is lot of chemical. Because of that, the taste was not that much which comparison to the raw food. Along with that, they do have a both advantages and disadvantages, such as if we are in a remote area or mountain area where there is not so much availability of the food. So at the time, the food whatever we have, it is good for consumption, because just dying without eating something is very a not good thing, right? So yeah, there are a lot of people who are professionals, want to basically do not have arrangement of cooking food day to day basis, so they try to just bought some sort of preservative food, which actually good for them, because that is how they can basically eat. And yeah, along with that, there are disadvantages of preservative foods. As such, we do not about how long they contain in the refrigerator, but in comparison to the raw food whatever we are cooked, that is fresh and that is good for our metabolism. And but in comparison to speaking about processed foods, they do have a lot of side effect, you can say. We cannot able to digest that particular food very easily. And but if talk about cooked food, that is it is easy to digest. And yeah, I think probably I have spoken around 2 minutes, and that is what most important. And yeah, upcoming days I'm going to take this kind of challenge, because we need to challenge ourselves rather than just keeping ourselves that that is enough. These kind of things which making you down and not giving you the improvement which you are looking for. So yeah, I'm going to challenge myself. I'm thinking of uploading 2 video in a single day, which is quite amazing for me. From if I want to improve myself in a short span of time, that is actually good. But for that, I need to basically commit and have a willpower, because as you see, within a month I just try to upload video and just give up. So this is what I do not want to do it. And so yeah, upcoming days I'm going to do that. So on this note, I'm closing this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.